Today, inshallah, we are going to start matrices of engineering, inshallah. Now, let me start with the echelon form. What is actually echelon form? I will give you an example to make understand this one. So, let me first start. Let us suppose example we are having a 4 by 4 matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, something, some numbers maybe, and 3, 0, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Now, what is the concept watch here? In the first step, first we have to make this all 0, excluding the first number. Excluding the first number, this 3 must make 0. In the next step, we must make this two values 0 by using row transformation. By using row transformation. First step, this 3 0, and next step 1 less 0. Should not make this one 0, this 2 0. And the next one we must make this 1 0. Okay, make this three zeros in the first step, and the second step make this two zeros. In the third step you make 0 this one. Suppose we left like this. Suppose it is left like this: 1 2 3 1 0 2 1 5 0 0 5 6 0 0 0 3. Suppose no chances is there like this. Suppose one case. Okay, here you see, suppose we left with the number here. That means this is non-zero row, this is also non-zero, this is also non-zero, this also we say this is non-zero because 3 is left here. Okay, if 3 is left here, then its rank will be, suppose a, rank of a will be 4 if some number is left here other than 0. But sometimes what happens means this will also become 0. We make this 3 zeros, this 2 zeros, this 1 0 also. We do not make this 0, this will become 0 as it by itself, like this. Suppose 1 2 3 1 0 2 1 5 0 0 5 1 0 0 0 0. So this will also become 0 sometimes, it will become 0 by itself. So we call this one as rank 3. Rank of a equals to 3. We do not count this 0. This all are 0. No, we do not count this one. So how many non-zero rows are there? 1 2 3. These are called non-zero rows. This is called 0 row because all we are having 0. So we are having 3 rows, non-zero, therefore its rank is 0. Right? Sorry, rank is 3. Sometimes this 2 also becomes 0, like this. See here. Sometimes this also will become 0, like this. 1 2 3 1 0 2 1 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So how many non-zero rows are there? Only 2. This 2 becomes zeros, no? All zeros. So these are 0 rows. We do not count this one. So rank will be 2. Rank of a will be 2. And sometimes this also becomes 0, like this. Suppose 1 2 3 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0. So the rank will be 1. Rank of a will be 1. So this is the method of doing to find the rank by using equivalent method. Okay, let me revise this once more. What is the method? First we have to make these 3 zeros, then this 2 0, this 1 0. So this is the method. If some number is left here, then we say this is rank 4. Other than 0, number other than 0 is then rank 4. Sometimes this also becomes 0. We get all these 4 zeros. So we do not count this. We do not count this row. So how many non-zero rows are there? 3. So rank is 3. And sometimes this also becomes 0, like this. All these 2 rows are zeros. These 2 are 0 rows. So we do not count this one. So the rank is only 2. And it may also happen that all this all becomes 0, only 1 row is left, so the rank will be 1. So let me do one question on based on this method. Okay, now let me do one example on this type. You see here I wrote one matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. Now just now we understood how to make echelon form. In the first step we have to make these 3 zeros. Now see here, this is already 0, so no need to make it 0. Now let me make this 2 0. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So we are making R3 0, so write R3 equals to, you see here, while to make these 3 zeros, let me use R1. To make these 3 zeros, use R1. Use R1 only. Okay, so this is already 0 now, this is 2, this is 1. If we have to make 0, the numbers should be same. This is 2, this should also be 2. So to multiply this with, you have to multiply this with 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 minus 2 will become 0. Therefore, R3 implies, you see here, R3 minus, because this is plus 2. This should be minus 2. So multiply with minus 2. Minus 2 R1. So this will become 0. This will become 0. In the same way, this is R4. R4 implies this is 4 and this is 1. In the first step, when we make these three zeros, we must use R only. So let me use this one. Okay, I'm using this one only. So what is the method here? This is plus 4. This should be minus 4. So therefore, R4 implies R4 minus 4 R1. R4 minus 4 R1. See here, I'm adding like this, equivalent to. First row we are not changing. 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Second row also we are not changing. 0, 11 minus 5, 3. Now third row you see R3 minus 2 R1. R3 minus 2 R1. Minus 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. R3 minus 2 R1. 2 3s are 6. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. R3 minus 2 R1. Minus 2 plus 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 3, 5. R3 minus 2 R1. 2 3s are 6. 1 minus 6. See here. R3 minus 2 R1. 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. In the same way, see here. R4 minus 4 R1. R4 minus 4 R1. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. R4 minus 4 R1. 4 3s are 12. 1 minus 12 is minus 11. Next one, R4 minus 4 R1. Minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. R4 minus 4 R1. 4 twos are 8. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So we finish the first step. Now the second step is we have to make these two zeros. This one 0 and this one 0. To make these two zeros, use R1, R2. For the first three zeros, R1. For the second two zeros, we use R2. We have to use R2. For R3 and R4 to make 0, we use R2. Now see here, I'm writing here R3. Let me make this 0. Very easy. Minus 11 plus 11 will be 0. So R3 will be R3 plus R2. Don't write minus. If you write minus, minus 11 will be minus 22. If this is minus, this should be plus. So R3 implies R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2. In the same way here also R4 implies same step. R4 plus R2. R4 plus R2. So let me change this one. We are not changing the first row, right, as it is 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Second also we are not changing. 0, 11 minus 5, 3. Now we are changing R3. R3 plus R2. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 11 plus 11, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. In the second same way, R4 plus R2. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 11 plus 11, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. See, we got this row. Now we can say the rank. You see here, these two rows become complete 0. No, these are called 0 rows. We could not count this one. So how many rows are left? 1 and 2. So the rank will be 2. The rank will be 2. This is non-zero row. This is also non-zero. This all two are 0 rows. We do not count this one. So therefore, the rank of A is only 2. Here the numbers are left. Here all numbers are left. Therefore, rank of A is 2. Let me do one more question. Okay. Now see here, next question. How to start? In the first step, we have to make these three zeros. These three zeros. In the next step, these two zeros. In the next step, this 0. Method is these three zeros, then these two zeros, this 0. Now let me start from this R2. I'm writing here R2 implies very easy, 1 minus 1 0. So R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. So let me make this also 0. This is R3. Because it is 2, we should make this also 2. So 2 minus 2 will become 0. So multiply this with 2. R3 minus 2 ones are 2 R1. R3 minus 2 R1. R3 minus 2 ones are 2. R3 minus 2 R1. Now R4 implies this is 3. This should also be 3. So multiply this with 3. R4 minus 3 minus 3 ones are 3 will become 0. So minus 3 R. So let me change here. We are not changing the first row, right, as it is 1 2 1 2. Now this, what is this here? R2 minus R1, easy. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. In the same way, R3 minus 2 R1, 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 twos are 4. R3 minus 2 R1. R3 minus 2 R1. 4 minus 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. This also becomes 0. In the same way, R3 minus 2 R1. R3 minus 2 R1. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. R3 minus 2 R1. 4 minus 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 will become 0. In the same way, R4 minus 3 R1. R4 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 3 twos are 6, 1. 4 minus 3 ones are 3, 1. 2, 6 minus 2 threes are 3. 6 minus 6, 0. So first step we finished. We made these 3 zeros. In the next step, we have to make this 2 zeros. No, this is already 0. Now we have to make this one 0. So to make this 0, very easy. R4 implies R4 minus R2. R4 implies R4 minus R2. R4 minus R2. So let me see here. So this is 1 2 1 2 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now we are changing R4. R4 is R4 minus R2. R4 minus R2. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So what is left here? This is 3 0, this is 2 0, this is 0. This is also became 0. So we do not count this one. These all are zeros. So we do not count this row. So here we are having non-zero set row. This is also non-zero. This is also non-zero. So 1 2 3. The rank of A will be 3. The rank of A will be 3. Let me do one more question. Now see here, let me do one more question here. The first step, we have to make this 3 zeros. Remember this one. When we have making these 3 zeros, use R1. Then this 2 zeros, use R2. Then this 0, use R3. This is the method. Okay. First 3 zeros, use R1. Then this 2 zeros, use R2. And for this 0, use R3. This is the method. So let me start with 1. R2 implies very easy. 1 minus 1, 0. So R2 implies R2 plus R1. 1 plus into minus minus 0. Don't write minus here. If you write minus 1 plus 1, it will become 1 plus 1, 2. In the same way, R3 implies this is 2. So multiply this with 2. R3 implies R3. We are already having minus here. So write plus into minus minus 2R1. 2R1. Now R3, R4 implies this is minus 1, this is minus 1. R4 minus R1. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So R4 implies R4 minus R1. So let me change this one. Now what is the first step? R2 plus R1. 1 plus 1. So we are not changing first one. Minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1. Now R2 plus R1. R2 plus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 0, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 0, 0. Minus 1. Now R3 implies R3 plus 2R1. 2 plus into minus 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. R3 plus 2R1. Minus 5 plus into minus 2 3s are 6. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. Now here R3 plus 2R1. R3 plus 2R1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. R3 plus 2R1. Plus into minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Once more, see here R3 plus 2R. R3 plus into minus 2 minus 2, 0. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 1 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Now last one R4 minus R1. Minus 1 minus 1 is plus 1, 0. 1 minus 1 is plus 3, 4. Now here, what is here? R4 minus R1. 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. 1 minus 1 is plus 1, 0. Now see once more, R4 minus R1. Minus 1 minus 1 is plus 0. So 1 minus 1 is plus 3, 4. And here, what is here left? 3 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 0 minus. Now see here, now next step we have to make this two zeros, this one 0 and this one 0. To make this two zeros we have to use R2. To make this two zeros we have to use R2. Okay, now we are not changing R1 and R2. Let me write as it is. R1 is minus 1 minus 3 3 minus 1. We are not changing R2, so I'm writing 0 minus 2 2 minus 1. Now see here, this is 11, this is 2. Here let me do one thing. You multiply this with 11, it will be 22, and multiply with this 2, 22. 22 minus 22 will become 0. Watch carefully, I am writing R3 implies, R3 implies. See here, R3, this is R3, this is R3. So multiply with 2, so 2R3. Both minus will not become 0, so we write minus in between. Minus of minus will become plus. This is also minus, this is also minus, will not become 0. So this minus should be this plus. So if you write minus, minus minus plus. So multiply this with 11. 11 R2. In these cases, when we do not have 1, then you have to multiply this number with this number and this number with this number. And lastly, R4. R4 implies, let's see here, R4. This is 4, this is 2. So multiply this with 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. R4 implies R4 plus 2R. R4 implies R4 plus 2R2. Plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So in this one, if it looks difficult to do directly, let me do this rough work. Okay, I am showing the rough work of R3. R3 implies 2R3 minus 11R2. Now watch here, what is here 2R3? That means we have to multiply 2 with R3. We have to multiply 2 with R3. I am doing the rough work. Okay, multiply R3 with 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 into minus 11 minus 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 minus 10. 2 zeros are 0 minus 2 11s are 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. Okay, minus 11 R2. So multiply with minus R2. 0 into a number 0. Minus 11 into R2. Minus into minus plus 11 2s are 22. 11 R2 minus 2 plus minus 11 2s are 22. Minus 2 plus 11. So what is left here? See here, 0 0. 16 minus 22 is minus 6, and this will be 1. So we got 0 0 minus 6 1. Whenever you feel some difficulty in doing directly, we can do rough work like this. Whenever we feel difficult or numbers are greater numbers, big numbers, we have to do the rough work like this. Okay, now next one is R4 implies R4 is plus 2R2. We can do directly R4 plus 2R2. R4 plus 2R2. 0 plus 0 will be 0 only. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 4, 0. And R4 plus 2R, 2R2. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3, 1. R4 plus 2R2. Plus 2 minus minus 2 ones are 2. Now the last step is left. Last step is left. What is left? We already made this 3 zeros, these 2 zeros. The last is this 1 0. This is R4 implies for making these 3 zeros use R1. Making this 2 zeros use R2. Making this 0 use R3. This is the method actually. If we do not use like this, then the zeros which become already will vanishes. Some number will come there. Therefore, we have to do like this. For to make this 0, we have to use R3. So multiply this with 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 1 is 6. 6. So R4 implies 6R4 plus R3. 6R4 plus R3. So let me do here. Now see here, we are not changing first 3 rows. Minus 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 0 minus 2 2 minus 1 0 0 minus 6 1. Now lastly here, R4 plus R3. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 6 R4. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 0. 6 twos are 12. Minus 12 plus 1 minus 11. So watch here, what we can say the rank. We are all having all non-zero rows because we left with number here. The rank will be 4. The rank of A is 4 because we left with the number here. The rank is 4. This is non-zero row, this is non-zero, this is non-zero, this is also because we left here. Suppose it is 0, then we say rank 3, but it is left with minus 11, so therefore its rank is 4. So let me continue in the next class. Okay, today we have done the questions on questions on echelon method. In the next part, inshallah, we will be going to do the questions, inshallah, on normal form. Normal form. So let me continue in the next class.